Okay.
He has to say the truth.
When you wake up in the morning, the first thing you need to do is to take a cup of water. I'm warning you, because water is nash. Water is life. I'm very stupid.
As big as you are, don't have shame. When you say nash, you mistake and confused. Now, wow. More on this again. Ow, a lot of air that is destroyed. So destroyed. Where is it going? Are you guys trying to mimic Indian film or what? Are you going to meet up to those eggs that are falling down from one story building that has already landed, and you're even eating and hoping that
Jesus.
Now what for you, bro? Fuck up. You fuck up, bro.
Hello, good afternoon, man.
Hey, Jesus.
And future day back to me back like this, oh. Okay, man, make her tell him. Future. I bet you must just come in now. Say your junior brother gas in the Russian go hospital now. Yes, your junior brother. Okay, do fast, I beg, do fast.
let him wash his eyes.
Be this way again. Who be this? Hello?
Waiting.
No. Okay.
Jesus.
Future. They say the guy they bring canal for you don't get accident for road.
What the this? Everybody don't crazy.
I got the advice from a madman.
Are you trying to tell me that you value your
Get out!
Calm down now.
So you're still here. If I catch you,
Amaka, what is your problem?
Papa, that guy came to marry me. Oh. Okay. That guy that drives a Toyota Corolla.
Amaka, this is like the 20th guy that you are chasing away. If you are doing all these things, who will marry you?
Papa, how do you expect me to marry? Papa, just look at your daughter now. I don't marry a guy that drives Toyota Corolla. Papa, don't worry. My boyfriend Chika will come and marry me.
Chika, is not that same guy that's traveled abroad for 7 years now. He has not chatted you on WhatsApp. He has not called you. He has not reached out to you. How are you sure he will come back and marry you?
You know they watch Nigerian movie. Papa, he will come back now. Okay. Once he's back, he will come with convoy. 5 different motors and cars. Papa, once he come back, he's going to marry me and he'll take me over there.
How are you sure that he has the money to even buy the convoy from the Obodo Yibo?
Papa, na surprise they call him, Papa. See, Papa, for Finn, the whole village will they laugh you. But once he come back, those people will laugh you. Now they go come to celebrate you.
No problem. Who am I? No problem. Amaka, what is it? Why are you crying?
Papa, I'm finished though.
What happened?
Papa, that's my boyfriend, Chika, Papa. I just discovered that he has gotten married to another woman over there. Papa, they have 2 children.
Jesus! I need to watch Nigerian film. As they marry that person there, he go divorce and come marry you. Come back with 5 escorts, come marry you, The whole village will celebrate you. Fine girl. You just 20 men away. You say this life, nothing. Life no be Nollywood, though. Look at you. Chioma Chukwuka.
Limau.
Chioma Chukwuka has suffered. Please, let's leave her alone. No. Which one is Chioma Chukwuka again? Let's see the next one from MC SMS guy. This guy and Wala.
Una landlord go dey hungry. Una the only person for this compound. Una no want to pay me. And una want to water. The message when you really drop for group WhatsApp or WhatsApp group, you want to come perfect, huh? Yes, I'm not telling you because I go perfect. Una the joke. Just because of 4 months house rent. Oh, just 4 months. 4 months now. 4 months. Calculate the money and tell me the block in it. Jeez. This is not a money. No, you know. As you say you plan us, so we plan you too. Yo, Joker, you're like Joker. face. Let's go talk.
Let's go stop man. You know the person of the group. You know here.
Do something. Run, no. Do something.
You dey run, Abi? You dey run? They never school out of the person, right? Yeah, the rest of the year one. How was that long enough to the break my head? That's why they like get beneath people my asshole. They don't only for 4 months. That thing is how we pull the tag. I don't know if they plan me too. They want to plan it. Obviously, I'm not Sabinus. I eat your carry wood. You don't know me. I'm gonna take you out.
Jesus Christ. What did I do?
Please, I'm very hungry. If you can help me with food, sir, please, sir.
Thank you, sir. Try and get a job. Begging is not good. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Chairman, please. Because I've been I can't disturb you, guys. Please. I don't do this for a living. Okay. I'm really sorry. Since yesterday, I haven't eaten anything. I don't know whether I feel sent to my market shop. I beg.
You haven't eaten anything yesterday?
I never shop anything, any amount at all.
Jesus!
Not be against bread earlier today. I gave you bread and beef. What's up?
5 years of madness.
Many times some beggar will come across.
God have mercy.
Hey! Hey!
Oh, yeah, no. You feel good now? Hello? Baba Alpha? Yeah. So I want to ask you, shall you put the poison for the food? The poison for the rats where I order, where I say me dispatch. You put away well, Abi? Oh yeah, now thank you. I go just use them. Oh yeah, now I use kilos rats now.
No.
Yeah, now.
Wait.
Thank you so much.
Which poison? They put for food.
Why they ask? I don't. What's they go? I don't send the money. Give you. What's happen now?
Hey, but you know, tell me say you put poison now.
I don't. I go tell you say I put poison inside food. I don't get.
Hey, but wait first. How far? This poison. Now inside this food, we and now I bring on give you 9 poison there inside.
Yes, now you chop inside.
I no chop. I don't say ask you. But wait, see no man, no wait first, no verse.
Why your voice they shake? What's happen?
Don't be say they shake, but at least why you go put poison for food where you at the dispatch? You know, tell me say poison
And
there
you have
inside.
already eaten it.
I go tell you say poison inside food where I dey dispatch. You chop inside my food.
I no chop.
And why
no.
you can't invest say I put poison? They go now. Don't send your money back by me. Okay? You are.
No verse. Wait first. No, wait. I beg. Well,
wait, I get antidote inside house. We fit cure whatever. But you chop inside the food.
I know.
Hey, now so why you call it?
Cinema. You calm down first.
Make I calm down. I don't. Have I sent you your money?
The money I don't receive.
Oh yeah, they go now.
But no verse. Now we might follow you. Moku talk.
Wait, yeah, the reason I do with you.
Now the issue is as you poison this thing, I don't understand. It don't make sense.
You know, make sense. I poison them.
But if you let me know saying that poison at the carry.
So no vex. No, say that poison the carry come and be next time I will tell you. I will no vex.
But now you don't really. No verse. You don't really be now. I won't do this for now like this.
I won't be as in how now. Why I won't give? What?
Then how far the antidote they talk about?
What you want to do? You chop inside my food.
Now no chop.
So why you call the asking for antidote?
My guy don't chop food.
Oh yeah, now later now. Later take care.
Now the couple why they tell you be this now. See as I love just sweet now. See peaceful love.
But I wish say my wife did like this. You get sharp. I like the way she respect you guys.
Sharply. Child, just a sweet me like.
So you're liking the latest picture, right?
Ain't that your friend?
Yes, my friend.
Come on now, I was just trying to be nice, that's all.
Oh, Mr. Nice Guy, trying to be nice or trying to sleep with her.
Sleep with who? Come on now, I don't like any of your friends. They all suck. Especially your intercept, she's not even my spec. She doesn't have nyash. Yeah?
Oh, so she has big nyash. You should have slept with her, right?
Oh, chim.
Oh, okay, that's what you do.
I don't have time for what.
Come back here, I'm talking to you. Where are you going to?
You don't need push. I don't need push. I see the push. Love sweet.
Never been up for days. Steady chasing the crowd.
I swear these two go marry. No get me too now. I tell you.
On this relationship now, too sure of.
Oh God.
See, walai, the other day, I hear when the girl they tell her say, you no go ever live up for this life.
How did they leave this relationship? What up,
You don't know why it's going on.
They're just jealous.
I just wish you till I can just pass now and jam you.
I would gladly hug the trailer, eh? And if you jam me, I will die and have peace of mind. I will not stop hearing your nagging.
I want to see you.
Chama them. How you doing now?
Well done, bros. Mama.
That boy, they're very romantic.
I must see for in love when they give up now. I swear. Oh God, when now?
You haven't fixed this door.
How?
So you still have to come down and open the door for me, right?
I know I've not fixed this door, but at least tell me thank you for coming down to open the door for you. I wish I could go back the first time I met you. I would have slit my throat before coming to see you.
You can't break up with me now. You should say coward.
It's better to be a coward than see your fat mom today.
Yeah! My mom is not fat. She just called me.
I wish you took that call from her. That this lame attitude of yours.
Yeah! Oh my God! Come back here.
As a sponsor, I just hate you.
I didn't say this guy could propose. See love, see sweet love.
Oh, this one I just misinterpreting the whole thing.
So babe, like I was saying, this is the size of your paper. It's bigger than your breast and your nyash. It's giving me a problem. I don't like it.
Oh my God, what do you mean?
It's what I mean. It's what I'm saying.
Okay now. Let's see what you're saying.
Run, man.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Because I can envy your relationship.
I think that forever be the deal. Person they do is for me. I don't know.
This is a very serious lesson to learn. Stop telling people.
That bad guy.
Baby girl, please now. I don't follow you from that place. Okay, just put your number here now. Let me call you later. I promise to be your Samson. Baby girl.
Doctor, where's my crushes?
I am so sorry, sir. I am so sorry, sir, for the inconvenience. From today henceforth, sir, you will not be using clutches anywhere to walk.
Hey! Thank God,
Sir, that is exactly what I'm trying to tell you. Before they rush you down here to the hospital, you have already lost your 2 legs. Hey! There is nothing else we can do. You have to get a nanny that will be carrying you around like a baby. Wheelchair is not even the option. Yeah? You don't even have nyash to even ride the wheelchair.
I beg, I'm very, very depressed. I don't know whether one girl go feed me with doggy.
You don't have cash because they don't cut the leg deep. That is very bad. You mean you're not late?
Hey! Come with you on like that.
Is the water heater?
Offer!
Wait, I want to bathe hot water now.
Offer, this is not for force never lights. This is not there. Offer. Even if not never. Now why you on heater? You know how much the meter?
So Jane used to carry heater now.
Oh my God, why from Jen indeed? After all of this, that's your problem now. You get water heater for your house. Why buy a pool for Jen? Man, you set up my gadgets. Now you go on water heater. Start taking for her. Focus.
When I help me, how they meet me.
How they do my Jen for me? Jesus! Help! If I rush to that Jen, help! Don't knock my Jen with the blood of Jesus.
Small Jen, small where me when I'm married.
Mommy, come on. Mommy. Where do you think I'm going to have cut already now? Huh? Where do you think I'm
going to? It's not what you're thinking. I love your daughter. So I love your daughter.
Wow.
I'm trying to tell you.
I didn't know what my in-law.
Oh, this is a mistake. I love
looking nice. Oh yeah, come like this. Kneel down.
Why are you telling your in-law to move?
Just wait. Hello? Tola, oh yeah, my boy. Mo Samuel Dani. Àti Baba Quadri. Tí Baba Quadri ò bá wá fi wọ́n lẹ̀ máa bọ̀ tètè. Sebi, you love my daughter, Abi? Okay, we'll see.
Baba Quadri, wow.
Congratulations.
Oh yeah, ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀. Please, don't be this Ronke's bright price list. Take, oh yeah, read it.
Mommy, I'm unemployed. I'm just 24. I'm going 22. This list is too much for me.
Sebi, you love my daughter. Read it now.
Only well, Semolina. I know that one.
Very good. That's the sign that we are going to take care of my daughter.
One plot of land, Man Island.
Yes.
I think we okay. The lot of Alapatanuwa.
Are you okay? Banana Island, so one Nikoyi, one plot, next keep reading your
10 more bags of Honeywell semolina.
Yes.
One cup of super coffee.
Keep going.
One drum of Uluru. Mommy.
You see this Honeywell semolina? It is a very reliable product, very authentic product. This is my own party gift to you. 1, 2, 3. Say, you have not passed Gambo. You are talking to a man. You have married this one.
International wedding. By first, Okirikiri. Maybe they'll be waiting for her to get married. No man has come. And this
Okay, this money. See this money. Anything. Sure. How do you give you from this money?
They urgent.
Last thing you get is
Jesus.
You get it?
Is this smile for me? Like, if you were the one, how would you feel, man? But those robbers, it's like they were blind, though. They didn't see the money. They threw away everything, the clothes, everything. Maybe they are going to use that guy for ritual money. But this guy is lucky. I won't give you anything. Just say I won't give you. Now you have this all to
Officer.
I wanna day now. I wanna day now. No be lie.
Don't shine this few days.
Now you go the chop government money. Where una con they go now?
Oh, go have fun.
Now wow.
How you walk now?
Make I follow una now.
Enjoy yourself, officer.
No
That's
be lie.
the shine.
No,
Hey.
see, if at all, anyhow, put something for.
Don't worry.
Nothing there, ba? Yes. I trust you now because I know say if something there you go give me. No wahala now. Take care. My friend, will you my friend, what's that now? You don't see me, they flag you.
Now why are they pack now?
You nearly hit me. You say you pack. Nearly match me for.
I go hit officer and I see you now. They pack for you.
Oh yeah, off that engine. You know this I be person, Papa Abi, because I dey here. Anything, waiting there for.
Nothing there here for.
You just come back from somewhere. Nothing.
Nothing. Una, come down. Where your papers? Give me your
papers. They here now complete.
It complete.
Yes.
In fact, don't worry about the papers. No be Kuban. Yahoo boy, come down.
I don't be Yahoo boy. I will be Yahoo boy.
You look like you just start Yahoo. Where your own paper?
Which paper again?
I don't know. Come down. In fact, I don't get. I get mood swing. Come down. Come down.
Officer, with the police work you are doing.
Babe, where have you been? I've been waiting for you. For the bride price, my mom says she wants a Lambo. Jesus!
You say, how can you say Lambo? You want a Lambo from somebody that is driving just small car, Camry car, very small one, I mean Lexus car. You want a Lambo from him. Where do you expect him to get such money? The guy know that if he start talking, telling the girl that he doesn't have the money, the girl will not understand, and there is no way she will calm down. Rather, she will keep on shouting and make the whole thing escalate by dragging this poor boy that she must get a Lambo from him. You see the wahala, where the wahala from they come. So the best option is just to like this. And those times they used to vanish along. They used to vanish alone. They would just leave whatsoever they have, and vanish. But this current time now, in this T-Pain's regime, if you are vanishing, man, you are going to vanish with everything that you have. Like, it vanished with everything, including his cars and everything. How can you Lambo for what? Oh my God. We are done, and we're going to upload more comedy on our next comedy compilation. Do stay tuned for next comedy. So I want to say thank you, and please don't go away. Please like this video, subscribe, and share this content, please, if you enjoyed it. And also, we're actually going to talk about how did you see this comedy of this guy AJK NDUKA Aboki. Yeah, what do you think about that comedy? What do you think about it? Like, it is very bad to conclude without, you know, listening to the full details of someone's explanation. You know, AJK would have, you know, won the money. Yes, he would have won the money, but he didn't listen. He didn't listen to what the person he called, which is Aboki. Didn't listen to him, and that guy was about to give him the full information of how he was going to crack the joke accurately, and at the end might make this guy NDUKA, the as a man that has not laughed for 21 years, to laugh. But he didn't wait to let this guy learn to explain everything, and he went there to be saying rubbish. He even with his full chest took a cutlass there. If I not talk this thing, be head down. That is the story. You know what they did to him. So what about what do you see about, what can you say, or what will you say about this Lord Lambert's comedy? Yes, I don't know if it is Lord Lambert that is misunderstanding our accent, or the lady that was misunderstanding Lord Lambert's accent, because I don't understand. You told the girl that come and do something. I think the girl's the one not understanding Lord Lambert, because she ran away and she didn't know that Lord Lambert was actually talking about massage, and that massage, had it been the girl complied or agreed to, you know, massage Lord Lambert that I know, a great cheat, he would have ended it with a point. I swear. So the girl quickly ran away because she knew what Lord Lambert was up to. I don't want to say it, but the funniest part about that comedy is the way he tied the towel, the way he rushed to pick that table, and the way he placed that stuff at the back of his bam bam. Please, can somebody tell Shopofo to give us one of these street comedy? We have missed it a lot. Yes, can somebody tell him, please? We are missing that trenches comedy that I used to have, especially Kataife. It has been long Kataife dropped comedy. Even Speedy talk, I don't know what is wrong with these guys. I don't know what is happening. I just pray, or yes, I pray they are all right. I pray everything is going on fine with them, because we have not heard from them for some months now, if I must say. And as for Shopofo, please give us content. We need village content. We need local content from you. Shopofo is very funny and he's a great guy. Talkless. You are one person in two. You are two in one. The guy paid him for a manager fee to go away, take your money, you have been paid, go away, we have sacked you, you are no longer our friend manager, like the ladies manager. Now my guy boss truth. Now my wife, now my girlfriend though. So if you are paying, you better know what you are going to pay me before I leave her. Now tell the matter boss, they would have continued the comedy. I just need more from there. I need more. I want to see how the driver, that guy, will react. I don't know. But actually, we thank God for everything. So guys, I think we've come to the end, and I believe you enjoyed this review. And if you found any interesting part or any scene that treated you the most, you can as well please write it down in the comment box below. And don't forget to share our content. Please like this video, you know, subscribe if you've not. I'm going to see you guys on our next comedy video. Have a wonderful time. I'm out.